Hey everyone, Sam Battersby with Griot's Garage, and today I'm going to show you everything about the Boss Foaming System Complete Kit. This kit comprises all of the components you need to take advantage of the Boss Foaming System for the safest and most effective wash process on any vehicle. Alright, step one, you're going to want to pre-treat any buildup in tough spots like rocker panels in the rear of the vehicle. Depending on how long it's been since your previous wash and what kind of environment your vehicle's been exposed to, it's likely that you're gonna have a lot of excess buildup of dirt, grime, and road film on areas like these rocker panels, rear end, fenders, wheel wells, and so on. You're gonna wanna pre-soak these areas with foaming surface prep diluted at 10:1 in the secondary bottle and allow it to dwell for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, but do not allow them to dry. You're gonna wanna do this on a dry surface as well to allow for maximum dwell time. Step 2, you're going to want to set up your foam cannon. Select the proper metering tip. Pink is for 2500 psi and above. Purple is for below 2500 psi. And aqua is for maximum foam. We're going to go with the aqua tip today. Insert it into the pickup ball and screw it on to your foaming surface wash bottle. Step 3, you're ready to unleash the foam. Skip doing a pre-rinse to achieve superior cleaning from the foam, and start foaming from the bottom up for a longer dwell time. Allow the dual layer foam to dwell for 5 to 10 minutes, but do not allow it to dry. The primary foam will gently loosen, lift, and encapsulate dirt and grime, while the secondary heavy foam will release it and safely carry the debris to the ground. On to step 4, you're ready for a full vehicle thorough rinse. Now that the foam has begun to loosen and release dirt and grime, you're ready to get it all off the surface. Insert your 25-degree nozzle into your pressure washer, and using slow, deliberate, overlapping passes, apply a high-pressure rinse from the rocker panel to the roof, and then from the top down. The bottom-up, then top-down approach allows your foam to see maximum dwell time so that it can continue working to release that dirt and grime, help prevent wash-induced scratches, and make the process easier for you. Step 5 is now time to determine if you need to do a contact hand wash or if this process can be truly touchless. After rinsing, evaluate your finish. If you have stubborn residual grime present, follow up with a hand wash using a bucket or refoam, mitt right over it, and then rinse. For well-maintained and protected vehicles, the foaming system can serve as a touchless wash method, and you can proceed to the next step. However, on this vehicle, it hasn't been washed for about 3 weeks, so we have a heavy amount of road grime, so we will need to do the contact wash. If you need to do the contact wash like we're doing, rest assured that at this point, all abrasive contaminants have been removed from the surface to prevent any wash-induced scratches during this process. Step 6, you're ready to lay down protection. Lay down a layer of foaming polygloss to add protection to all exterior surfaces and reinvigorate any previously applied waxes or sealants. Foaming polygloss delivers robust protection, intense gloss, and impressive water repellency on every exterior surface that it touches. Simply foam on, allow to dwell for 60 seconds, and rinse off. It's as easy as that. Step 7, you're ready to dry and go for a drive. To quickly dry your vehicle, we like to use our extremely absorbent extra large PFM edgeless drying towel. Dragging this thirsty XL towel across your paint effortlessly achieves a perfectly dry surface. And there you have it. Now we have a fully clean and protected vehicle using our entire Boss Foaming System from A to Z. For more information on the Boss Foaming System Complete Kit, as well as other foaming system kits like it, please visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.